All right, this is a very interesting problem because we're going to have several steps that we have to go through in order to find our answer. This one says find the total cost of 5 electric skillets priced at $30.99 each. Use the shipping and insurance delivery chart below and sales tax rate of 5%. There is no sales tax on shipping and insurance. Okay, so we're supposed to find the total cost of these 5 electric skillets. So that's, everything all together. Um, okay, well, first of all, they told us that we are buying 5 skillets at $30.99 each. So let's just figure out what those would cost us first. So if I buy 5 skillets at $30.99 each, if I multiply that, because that would be 5 times $30.99, that would equal $154.95. So this is my price just for the skillets. So just for the skillets. Make little notes as we go here. Okay. Now, our total price here is still missing sales tax and the shipping and insurance. Okay, now they said here there is no sales tax on shipping and insurance. So the only sales tax that we really have is just on the price of the skillets. So now I want to figure out my sales tax. So for our sales tax, we're going to be paying our total price, which is $154.95, times that tax rate. And this tax rate is 5%, so that would be 0.05. So that tells us if we multiply these two together, this is going to be our sales tax. So our sales tax then will be if you do this on your calculator, you get 7.7475. Now, we're dealing with money here, which means we need to round to the nearest hundredth, or in this case would mean the nearest cent. So we're going to actually go ahead and multiply this and then round to $7.75. So that's going to be our total sales tax. All right, now if we look at our shipping and insurance delivery chart, this is, it goes by how much our cost is so far. Well, if we know that our skillets are $154.95 and the sales tax is $7.75, then we could come down here and say, okay, my price with sales tax would have to be the $154.95 plus $7.75. So that gives me a total of $162.70. Now I can look in the chart here, and it says if we have $100 or more, then we have to add $14.99 for our shipping and insurance. So now I'm going to take that $162.70 and we're going to add in the $14.99 for our shipping cost, for a grand total of $177.69. So it took us several steps to get there, but that's okay. You just have to remember that we have to figure in sales tax, and then whenever you're doing shipping, then that comes afterwards. And shipping is always based on how much you spend. Generally, because the more you spend, the more usually the heavier the weight is of the objects also. But this is exactly how it is really done. So this is a good practice problem.